Hello there, beautiful people. I hope you are doing great. In this video, I will teach you how to get started with Wix Studio, and I will teach you how you can create website from scratch using blank canvas or a template. So when you open Wix Studio Workspace, you will have different options to get started with your website. The first option is to start with a blank canvas. So you can choose this one right here. You can also choose templates, pre-made templates, which are all right here. So if you have some sort of preference for the design which you find here, you can use the template as well. So for example, let's say I like this template, simply click on edit and it will open the website in a new window. Right now you can change the text, images, and change the design according to your preference. For this option, we will start with a blank canvas though, so that I can show you all the process of how to create a website from scratch. Another option we have now is to use external templates. So Wix Studio now allows users to export and import the template using zip files. So I have a template file right here, and to use this zip file you have to extract it and open this file. Use the template in your browser and Wix Studio will import the entire website in your workspace. There's a full tutorial about how to import the templates in Wix Studio. I will drop the link in the description, or you can simply click the card on top corner. So for this tutorial, as I said, we will use the Studio blank canvas. I'm gonna open it. And now we have a blank canvas right here. So this is how you get started with the Wix Studio. In the next video, we will talk about how to set up your website styles and how to set up the breakpoints in Wix Studio. But yeah, that's it for this video. I hope you learned something. Thanks for watching.